Bilang Committee on Ethics Chairman, naniniwala po ako na meron tayong tama, makatarungan at marangal na paraan pagdating po sa pagwawasto ng pagkakamali sa hanay namin po ng mga mambabatas. So dito po sa Committee on Ethics, meron po tayong tamang proseso, mekanismo, and standards na susundin when it comes to disciplining our members. Kung may pagkakamali po, meron po tayong tamang paraan ng pagwawasto. I would like to let everyone know na hindi po natin binabaliwala o babaliwalain ang insidenteng ito. I want everyone to expect, asahan niyo po, na tutuparin ng Committee on Ethics ang aming tungkulin. And we will make sure that we will abide by the proper process before coming up with a decision on matters. Dahil yun po ang ethical at kami po ang Committee on Ethics. We can't afford to right a wrong with another wrong. Ngunit gusto ko pong i-emphasize at igiit na susundan po natin ang tamang proseso. And regarding the incident that transpired last July 28, I would have to exercise restraint in my opinion because we must decide, the Committee on Ethics must decide on facts at the proper forum and with the correct procedure. So gusto ko lang rin po ipaalam na kaka-appoint ko lamang bilang Committee on Ethics Chairman last Wednesday. Wala pa pong ibang members sa committee na na-appoint. We are still awaiting on that. Hindi pa po tayo nakakapag-adopt ng ating rules, but we will fulfill our job to the best that we can once the committee has convened and has adopted its rules. To the general public, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na kakampi niyo po kami. Kakampi niyo po ang Committee on Ethics sa pagde-demand ng public accountability and proper decorum from our lawmakers, not only when they are in the plenary, pati na rin kapag sa labas ng Kamara. So asahan niyo po na magpapadala po kami ng mahinahon na paalaala sa bawat membro ng Kongreso na mag-obserba po sila ng tamang asal at ng tamang decorum, hindi lamang tuwing nasa loob ng plenaryo, kundi pati na rin po sa labas ng Kongreso. Bukod po dyan, kaugnay dito, nagsulat rin po ako ng isang policy na pinapagtibay po ang accountability sa ating mga lawmakers, not only when they are in the plenary. This is similar to what they have in the United States, kung saan merong independent na tanggapan that would process complaints whenever an ethical violation by any lawmaker would occur. Ipo-process niya ito and they would make recommendations to the Committee on Ethics as to what um, action should be taken. Magkakaroon rin ng transparency reports, and this independent body, it will be non-political, it will be non-partisan, and we will assure that it will be composed of members that are not related within the fourth civil degree of consanguinity to any lawmaker. Isa po ito sa aking mga plano to innovate and to further strengthen our Committee on Ethics in the upcoming Congress. And I would also like to seek the support not only of the House leadership on this matter, but as well as the general public. Sa ating mga kababayan, kakampi niyo po ang Committee on Ethics sa pag-exact ng public accountability sa ating lawmakers. This is in line with the President and the Speaker's demand for greater accountability and transparency. I believe that accountability must not be demanded not only when it comes to lawmaking and budget matters, but we should also expect accountability with proper decorum as well as our actions. Dahil ang karangalan po namin, ang dangal na binigay sa mga mambabatas ay binigay po ng taong bayan. Public property po kami at may responsibilidad po kaming managot sa aming mga actions.